Welcome. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to turn on chat call notifications on the Messenger app for PC. If you want to stay updated with your calls, but also manage your notifications effectively, this guide is perfect for you. Let's walk through the steps together. First, start by opening your Messenger app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your chats. Once you have the app open, locate the chat for which you want to enable call notifications. Click on that chat to open it up. Now that you're in the chat, look towards the top of the conversation. You'll see 3 dots arranged in a vertical line. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu with additional options. In this menu, find the option that says Mute. This allows you to manage your notifications for that specific chat. After clicking Mute, you'll be prompted to choose a period for which you want to mute notifications. This is helpful if you want to take a break from notifications, but still want to ensure that you receive call alerts. Once you've selected the period that works best for you, click on Mute to confirm your choice. Now, your chat calls notifications are enabled, while other notifications for that chat can be managed based on your preference. And that's it. You've successfully turned on chat call notifications for your selected Messenger conversation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Enjoy your enhanced Messenger experience.